For you to succeed, you need people. Tell your neighbor, people.
People.
For you to succeed, you need people. Tunaelewana? Who are these people? You need Form 1s to have harmony in this school. You need Form 2s. You need Form 3s. You need your teachers. You need your cooks. Tu wengine unaenda pale. Naona hizi. You need your cooks. By the way, I was attending a health conference in Mombasa during the holiday, and one principal said that the cost of things have gone very high, and most parents are jobless. People are not paying school fees. Students are in school. The government has not sent money. Hello?
Hello.
And he was saying, now, when it comes to lunch time, there is no way you can negotiate with the students. Waambie leo ni kubaya, hamkuli lunch, ngoje sapa. Hello? You see? So that principal was saying, for our school to perform, we need that cooperation from parents to pay fees. Hata kama ni kidogo kidogo. We need that cooperation, the government to save the money. Tunaelewana? We need money. Hata kwa mkutano you cannot propose and second and alone. So you cannot go it alone. Learn to work with others. There is